Welcome back to Passionate About Tech. Want to set up Kali Linux for some ethical hacking adventures? In this video, I'll guide you through installing the latest Kali Linux on your PC step by step. This is a full install that wipes your internal drive, so make sure to back up any important data before proceeding. We'll cover grabbing a USB drive, downloading the ISO, preparing it with Rufus, and running the installer. Ready? Let's jump in. First, you'll need a USB drive that's at least 8 GB. Plug it into your current computer. Next, let's download the Kali Linux ISO. Open your web browser. In the address bar, type kali.org and hit enter. Once the site loads, click on the download button. Choose Installer Image from the options. Click on Installer to start downloading the ISO file. It's around 4 GB, so it might take a bit depending on your connection. Grab a snack while you wait. While that's downloading, let's get Rufus. Open a new tab in your browser, type rufus.ie, and hit enter. Scroll down to find the latest portable version of Rufus, and download it. Once downloaded, double-click to launch it. If prompted, click Yes to allow it. For the update check, you can choose Yes or No. Up to you. With Rufus open, make sure your USB drive is selected in the device dropdown. Click Select and browse to your downloaded Kali ISO file. Choose it and click Open. Rufus will fill in the details. Now, click Start. It'll ask about write mode, select DD image mode and click OK. Confirm the warning about wiping the USB by clicking OK. The process will begin and might take a few minutes based on your hardware. Once it's done, your USB is ready. Now, take that USB and insert it into the PC where you want to install Kali. Power on the PC and enter the boot menu, usually by pressing F12, F10, or Escape depending on your model. Check your PC's manual if unsure. In the boot menu, select your USB drive and hit Enter. The Kali installer will load. Choose Graphical Install and press Enter. Select your language, like English, and click Continue. Choose your location and continue. Pick your keyboard layout, such as American English, and continue. The installer will detect hardware. If you have Wi-Fi, select your network card and continue. Scan for Wi-Fi networks. Pick yours and enter the passphrase. For security, it's usually WPA or WPA2. Select that and continue. Set your host name, like Kali or something custom, and continue. Leave the domain blank for a home setup and continue. Enter your full name, then your username. It'll suggest one based on the name. Create a strong password for the user and confirm it. Select your time zone and continue. For partitioning, choose Guided, Use Entire Disk, and continue. Select the internal drive. Make sure it's not the USB. Look at the sizes to identify it. Opt for all files in one partition for simplicity, and continue. Review the changes, select Finish Partitioning and Write Changes to Disk, then continue. Confirm Yes to wipe the drive. The installer will format and copy files. This takes time, so be patient. When it asks about additional desktop environments, stick with the default XFCE and continue. After clicking Continue, the installer will ask if you want to install the GRUB bootloader to your hard drive. Select Yes and click Continue. GRUB, or the Grand Unified Bootloader, is what makes your PC boot into Kali Linux automatically. It's like the gatekeeper that tells your computer where to find the operating system, ensuring a smooth startup without needing the USB drive. This only takes a moment. Once installation finishes, click Continue to reboot. Remove the USB before it restarts to avoid booting from it again. After reboot, log in with your username and password. For post-install steps, open a terminal. Type sudo apt update and hit enter. Enter your password when prompted. This keeps your system up to date. And there you have it. You've installed Kali Linux like a pro. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Passionate About Tech, and drop a comment with any questions. What Kali tools are you excited to try? Let me know. Stay passionate, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next one.